Welcome to Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pratim. Now friends, we are uploading videos on different type of homemade soap making. Today in this video, I will show you how to make aloe vera glycerin soap. Now this soap is a double moisturizer. Aloe vera itself is a very good moisturizer accompanied by glycerin. Now aloe vera soap is so helpful. It will not only keep your skin moisturized, body skin moisturized 24 hours, but it will also be helpful to get rid of rashes, boils and itching on your skin and make your skin soft and supple. So friends, and this soap is very soft. It's soft like wax. Now friends, please do make it at home. It's very easy and economical and pure and natural. Do make it at home and use it. So friends, let's move on and see that how we can make this soap. Now to make this aloe vera glycerin soap, first take a fresh aloe vera leaf and then you have to cut and take out the gel. Now friends, when you take a aloe vera leaf or cut a leaf from the plant, what happens? Some yellow fluid comes out of this aloe vera leaf. Now you have to wait for 2 to 3 hours for this liquid to come out thoroughly. Then only you use this leaf, because that yellow portion is not very helpful. Now this way you cut out the aloe vera leaf to take out the gel. See, this is the gel. Take out the gel like this. Now take a blender and add to it the aloe vera gel. Now add to it 1 Evian or vitamin E capsule. Then add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Now friends, you can also add 2 or 3 drops of essential oil like lavender essential oil or tea tree oil. Now friends, we will now blend all these ingredients very well to make a paste. Now take a glycerin soap bar and cut it into small chunks. Now friends, please remember that the amount of glycerin, the percentage of glycerin in this soap bar have to be very high. Now cut this into small chunks like this. Now friends, when you make a paste, it becomes a juice type thing, but you should make sure that there should be no chunks in it. No aloe vera chunk should remain in it. Now friend, take boiling water and in a separate container, put the glycerin cubes into it and hold it over the boiling water and just slowly stir it, and you will find that it will start melting. You see, the cubes are slowly melting. Now friends, as you can see that the glycerin soap has totally melted. The chunks have totally melted. It takes around about 4 to 5 minutes. Now add the aloe vera mix to this glycerin, this melted glycerin, and mix thoroughly. You have to again mix the aloe vera gel thoroughly into the melted glycerin. Now take a plastic container, soft plastic container, and oil brush it You can also use silicone molded any containers, but that's difficult to find. Plastic containers you can find in your household. Now pour the mix into this container. Pour it into this container and leave it for about 5 to 6 hours to solidify. It actually solidifies within 5 to 6 hours. Now friends, as you can see, this has solidified into a beautiful bar. Now take it out, just it will get details like this. This is so soft, it has become so soft. As there is pure and natural aloe vera, it's so soft and glossy. It's a double moisturizer because it has aloe vera and glycerin in it. Use it and you will get awesome results. So friends, hope you have enjoyed watching this video and keep watching my videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.